Baba, don't let it get the best of you. Stay on your shit, stay on your shit. I know you, cause high from me in the end. I'm all be focused, steady focused, steady focused. I'm all be baby, I'm be baby, I got me be baby. Don't let that bitch get the best of you. I'm trying to tell you right now, you got a daughter, dude. I got me son too, and I been thinking a lot of shit. Cause if I leave my son here, yeah, what he gonna do? He gonna think, daddy, what the fuck you been do? I'm gonna be like, man, on that money train, on that money thing, on the lane, on another lane. Tryna, they don't let that get the best of you. They don't let that get the best of you. They don't let that get the best of you. Nigga, don't let that get the best of you. Nigga, don't let that get the best of you. Don't let it get the best of you. Nigga, don't let it get the best of you. Calling me, cause you hurting what I supposed to do. But vibe on me, what I supposed to do. We're talking about a lot of shit, what I supposed to do when I'm going through a whole lot of shit too. I'm thinking about going home, but bitch, it's gonna be valuable. I'm thinking about going home when I ain't talking about nice too. I ain't trying to be nice too. I ain't trying to be legally so damn made. Not just being a hike a billion dude. Hike a billion street. Every day, I can't wait to go home too. Visit my niggas here in you. I cannot work with you. I'm trying to stack my money, dude. Stack it up, have vacation, dude. Ain't trying to work, trying to stack it up. 18 G's, 20 G's. I remember last time I had 8. Just say the shit, but hell no, what you did with it? What you do? You always asking me for money. Hell, now fuck you, dude. Now fuck you, dude. Always, my baby girl trying to ask me, damn, I'm trying to get me some money, dude. But that's the hike, I touch it the 7 nights, but always be fucking around, we always be coming around my mind, dude. And I be trying to tell you, my nigga, don't let that shit get the best of you. Save up your shit, and save all your money, get your daughter to do the best of it. I be doing all the fucking best of it. Hear my blood stuff and smoking the rest of it. It's every single day, man, rest in peace. Until my mama and my mama need. I'm really missing on them, having problems, yeah. I don't got no problem, this my nigga, yeah. We going through too much shit. That's why I gotta stay up on the fucking shit. It been a mob, been a minute beat. Trying to get online, trying to write my lyrics beat. I just been up with my son a bit. He was smiling at me as a happy beat. That's the happy mood. That's the happy shit. The shit I ever did, like Sister Trojan, nigga. I just trying to tell you, man, you really gotta drop the beat. Let it go. But if you wanna stay strong, then hell yeah, you know that she the best little bit. She the best little bit. I'm trying to tell you, my nigga, you really gotta go do what you gotta do. Cause you got a dollar beat. You got a dollar beat. Don't let it get the best little bit. Don't be stressed little bit. Don't be stressed little bit. Be the best of you. Best of you, cause I can leave me in. You can be the best of you, cause I can leave me in. Be the best of you.